60% of the total population of Bangladesh is affected by kidney disease, and 2.5% of annual deaths in Bangladesh is caused by yeast. One of the core reasons for this problem is food adulteration. The amount of adulterated food in the food supply chain of Bangladesh is so overwhelmed that it can hardly be ignored. We team Voyagers have created such a bot which is able to do rooftop organic cultivation all by itself. Apart from doing the basic works, it can give insights about soil nutrients, detect harmful substances. Moreover, it can send the whole condition in its server. Finally, it is fully solar operated. To run this bot, we have built the Voyager app. The user will give command on what type of vegetables he may want to grow. It will send regular updates about the whole farming. Moreover, it will synchronize with the central server that is used as a channel for communication between customers and us. Using these, the customers will be able to understand the whole situation of the farming. So the name of our venture is Refresh, diversified team from different backgrounds. Our business aims at creating entrepreneurs, not customers. Our target customers are the residential roof owners and the commercial roof owners. Among the residential owners, we will be targeting the homemakers specially, who can earn staying at their home. Our business process is comprises of main two functions. One is manufacturing the Voyager and the other is helping our partners to grow organic vegetables and sell on a basis of 50-50 profit sharing. This is a 50% profit sharing business. There will be a 5-year contract with them and the partners will get back the security money initially invested. Meanwhile, they can earn regular profit and this will help them to raise the invested money only in 8 to 12 months. So after harvesting the vegetables from our partners, we will sell them on a premium price in country superstores and online groceries. Our manufacturing partner is Isamoti Lighthouse. Our agricultural advisor is eKrishi Clinic. Starting this business in 2021 with 1 million USD, we'll be able to earn 7 million USD in the next 5 years.
Now let's see the impact we are going to make. We are going to employ marginalized youth who have high tendency of dropout and we will train them to enable skills. Also, we will provide them allowances and medical benefits. Starting our operation in 2021, we aim to capture organic shelves of 10 to 12 superstore chains and 2 to 3 online stores by 2023. Then, by 2025, we will empower around 500 entrepreneurs. We scale that in 5 years, we are going to produce 5,000 tons organic products, and in 10 years, we will earn a revenue of 23 million USD.
In our run, we can contribute to 4 SDGs that are good health, life on land, decent work and economic growth, and last but not the least, climate action. For these reasons, we believe our startup idea has the potential to revolutionize the whole vegetable production system. Now let's see the pilot that we have made.
We did not only plan it, rather took our project to pilot. This is our Voyager bot. It can move along XYZ axis. It can do seeding, weeding, watering according to your plantation requirements. It has sensors to measure soil pH and nutrition. Also cameras to take pictures. It sends all the updates to the user's app and central server.